Okay guys, so we're here Central Park and where the church is in San Juan del Sur, and we're going to show you how to get to this restaurant that we're going to introduce you. We realized earlier today we have eaten here many times, but we never did a restaurant review. So lucky you, I'm going to do a restaurant review here at Pelican Eyes of La Cascada. To us, this is a very nice place to be. You can chill, have great food, meet some friends, and just chill and see the sunset, I should say. So this is the entrance. As you can see, it's pretty tight.
I am.
Oh, no, you're not. As you can see, look at that going up here. And I don't know if you can hear the howling monkeys. So I'm cheating here. Oh, that's okay, man. That's okay. We love the food. So there's the chef, Eric, and I told him I was just going to stand here for a little bit and kind of watch him cook. What do you got special for today?
We got fresh yellowfin tuna.
Oh, yellowfin tuna. So I know what we're going to get. Got quinoa. I don't know if you can hear him. Man, it smells delicious. It's a pity that you can't put that on YouTube, the smell.
You don't have that yet?
No, we don't have that yet.
Work on that, man.
Yeah, I should work on that. That's a new technology I'll design and get out. So guys, what we did, we got a salad and we divided it into two to get two different dishes to eat here. So this is the mixed grain feta salad. So we combined it onto two plates. We're going to start with this and we'll show you in a little bit what else we got for dinner. So this is what we ordered and we're going to share is a yellowfin tuna with vegetables.
Fresh from today.
Oh yes, fresh. It's today's catch. So as soon as he caught it, supposedly he went out and fished for it. Right, Eric? You went out and got it? Yes, okay, you did. Okay. And so since I don't want the veggies, I ordered, and some of you know this, I love my French fries. And then I got some rice to accompany me while I eat the tuna. So that is our dinner for tonight. Okay, so this is an empty plate. As you can see, it's all gone, and Ghislaine is almost done, but I can tell you it was a 10 in service, in food, and everything. So come over here to La Cascada and you will have an amazing meal. Okay guys, so this is the end of the evening. We are here at La Cascada at Pelican Eyes, and we had a fantastic evening, just relaxing, meeting some new friends, having some great food. So if you want to bring your friends over here to Pelican at La Cascada, I believe right now they're open from Thursday to Sunday, and they have various different hours. So check their Facebook page. I will link it to our description into the YouTube video. There's still some people around here having fun. So if you want to enjoy the pool or just have a great meal with your family and friends, come on over here. It's an excellent place to visit. Have a lovely night, and thanks as always to be part of our YouTube channel and leaving us messages. So until next time, take care.